Bible says it's a good thing to give thanks to the Lord. Amen?
I come before you today, and there's just one thing that I want to say. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for all you've given to me, for all the blessings that I cannot see. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. With a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with an outstretched arm, I will bless your name. Thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. For all you've done in my life, you took my darkness and gave me your light. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. You took my sin and my shame. You took my sickness and healed all my pain. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. With a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with an outstretched arm, I will bless your name. Thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Oh, thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. Oh, thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Oh, we thank you. Oh, we thank you, Lord. Lift your voice. Thank you, Lord. For all you've done in our lives, we want to say thank you, Lord. Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Yes, we do. Oh, we want to say thank you, Lord. Yes, we thank you, Lord. 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 With a grateful heart, with a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with an outstretched arm, I will bless your name. Oh, thank you, Lord. Yes, I just want to thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you,
Rwanda. I'm looking forward to being in Kigali on Sunday, the 10th of February, 2019 at the MTN Kigali Praise Fest. Join me and many other great artists for a wonderful evening of praise and worship. If you buy your tickets with MTN Mobile Money, you'll receive a discount on all the tickets. Use pay code 000555. Once again, that pay code is 000555 for a discount on all your tickets. I hope to see you all there. God bless.